Yo, don't you hate it when the hustler walk up to you? You got like your last $10 in your pocket, especially the Wawa, right? Dude walks up to you. It's like, yo, man, go support a young boy, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do big things here, man. You know, I'm trying to stay off these streets. You know, some positivity in the world and everything, man. You know, help support the boy. Like, come on, man, for real. Cause I already know it's some nonsense on this joint, right? So look at the cover. You know what I'm saying? It's a dude with angel wings. You know what I'm saying? Throwing machine guns in the trash. So I'm like, all right, chill out. Take the joint home, right? Actually, I don't take it home. Go in there, get my Funyuns. You know what I'm saying? Couple hot sausages. That's my snack. That's what I like to eat. I mean, it's crazy. Put them together, but it's banging though. Get in the wet, right? Put the CD in. That's what I hear. First 30 seconds of the song. Nothing. All right. Boop. Second song. Right. Yeah. It's running through my head too. Yeah, you just got played, dude. I mean, why would somebody go through the effort of making a nice little CD label, case and everything, give me this whole spiel, but I guess a hustle's a hustle, right? So I keep going. I'm thinking maybe the guy didn't finalize the CD. I'm like, all this stuff's going through my head. I know I got played, right? I know I got played, but I'm trying to get this dude the benefit of the doubt. So I'm mad. I want to go back. But you know how gas is nowadays. It's like 349, 350 a gallon. I don't really want to waste it going back. I'm saying get this dude over this CD. All right, so I'm pretty sure I chalk it up. I'm like, all right, man, I'll take that out, right? So a couple weeks go by. I bump into the boy again, right? He's still outside pushing these CDs like it's a hustle. This dude is like, yo, didn't even recognize me, right? Gave me the same spiel, like, yo, oh my man, yo, I'm saying, young boy, trying to do some positivity in the world, man, trying to be productive in society and everything. I got this CD here, you know what I'm saying? Got this CD. I want you to check it out, man. I got some positive stuff on it. I was like, dude, yo, you gotta recognize who you hustling out this joint, man. You got me 2 weeks ago with the CD. He was like, yo, what you mean? Yo, hold on, why you all swelling your chest and everything, homie? I don't like the bass in your voice, man. I'm just saying, boy, just trying to do some positivity. You talking reckless to me, man. What do you mean? What you mean? I ain't hustling nobody, man. It's good work. It's my work. It's my life right here, man. It's my life. I do it for love, baby. You know what I'm saying? Well, can I get my 5 back? Oh, now, player, can't give you a 5 back, man. You supported the cause, you know what I mean? So what's wrong with the CD? I was like, dude, you gave me a CD with nothing on it. It's like, hold on, yo, over here, you just don't get it, man. You know what I'm saying? It's like, that's real. I mean, ain't nobody doing it like I'm doing it right now. Dude, there's nothing on the CD. Yo, I'm telling you, homie, there's something on that CD, man. I put it on there. I put blood, sweat, and tears in that thing, man. I know it's on there. Yo, come to the whip. Let's listen to the CD you gave me, dog. Let's listen to, look, this is your label, right? This is your CD, right? Yeah, let's listen to it, right? So we go to the whip, put the CD in, right? Yo, he starts nodding his head like, I'm like, yo, dude, you not gonna play me? Like some music is playing on this joint, dog. Hey, hold up, man. Yo, check it, yo. Oh, man. Nah, dude, look, check it, man. That's real right there. I'm miming on that joint. Yeah, dog, that's the new hotness, man. It's underground miming. You know I mean, like, you ever been to a mime battle before, yo? It's crazy. Y'all would have choked the hell out of this dude, man. I'm sorry. And I do mean hell, man, because you gotta be from some other place to sell somebody a CD. And you miming on this joint, man. What are you doing? Miming? Miming, dog. Come on, you're miming on a CD. Get the Waka Flocka out of here, dude. This what in the LL Cool J are you talking about, man? That's ridiculous. Nonsensical foolishness. Y'all broke that CD in his face and told him go get a life, man, because that's egregious. It's egregious.